In this video, we're unboxing the Paintless Dent Repair Kit. The Dent Repair Lever Rod. The multiple ball accessories. The core purpose of this tool is designed for fixing body dents where the paint is still perfectly intact. It works on basic lever mechanics. No need to mess up the ordinary paint. No body filler and respray. Using different lengths and different curved long lever rods. Reach deep inside the cavity behind the sheet metal with interchangeable tips and push precisely against the dented area from the backside, bringing the panel back to its factory smoothness. Now let us move to how to assemble and use the tool. First, choose a tip that matches the dent we're working on. Then choose a lever rod. Lock them together. The lever rod is assembled well. Now let us move to the demonstration of the tool. Feed the assembled tool into the dented area from behind, then through the lever mechanics. Push firmly outward. Just repairing the dent back is okay.